Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to study for your Algebra 2 finals. First, let's outline the essential steps to ensure you're fully prepared. We'll cover how to approach your review, what types of problems to focus on, and smart strategies for maximizing your study time. By following these guidelines, you can build confidence and achieve your best possible score on the exam. Let's get started. To truly master Algebra 2, begin by revisiting fundamental concepts. Focus on understanding functions, solving various types of equations, and working with inequalities. Ensure you grasp polynomials, rational expressions, and the properties of logarithms and exponential functions. Don't forget to practice applying the quadratic formula to solve complex problems. A strong conceptual foundation is crucial for success. Active practice is your most powerful tool. Work through every example in your textbook and solve as many practice problems as possible. Seek out past exam questions to familiarize yourself with the format and difficulty. Identify specific topics where you struggle and dedicate extra time to those areas. Utilize online resources for additional problems and explanations to solidify your understanding. Adopt smart study habits for optimal results. Develop a structured study schedule, allocating specific times for each topic. Break down complex concepts into smaller, manageable parts to avoid feeling overwhelmed. Try explaining difficult ideas to a friend or family member. This helps reinforce your own understanding. Finally, ensure you get at least 8 hours of sleep the night before your final exam.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.